Alright, we've got all our pieces cut out that we need for the head. We have these are going to be our two outside pieces, which go to the very outside of your head. These two will be your neck pieces, and what we did was we cut this center out, and we got this block marked here. So this is going to go in there, but we needed this cut out. We've cut this part out. This is going to be for our 1/2 inch dowel that will go in there for our string to go up and around. So we've taken this center piece out, and we have that. So we have two, and this incorporates the neck. And then we have the same with this one here. We cut this center piece out, and that will incorporate the neck and this back piece. You want to be sure you mark your pieces when you do it. And then we have our three starting pieces. These are our three center pieces, which has the nose and the lip and the teeth. We've already done our ears, so we have our ears all made. And we have 1 1/4 inch stick that we're going to use for this. And we have 3 pieces cut out for the mouth, which is going to go there. That's our mouth pieces that we'll need. So I'll give you some measurements. The very outside pieces, you're looking at 7 1/4 inches by approximately 8 inches wide. So you need 2 of these. For your 3 center pieces, you're looking at 10 inches by about 8 inches this way. Your stick is 8 inches long. These outside pieces, or your pieces that incorporate the neck, you're looking at about 11 1/4 inches, 11 1/4 to 11 1/2, and you're also looking at about 8 inches this way. And this is all 1 by, which is actually 3/4 inches actual. For the mouth, you're going to use 3 pieces. This one here is 3 1/2 by 2 1/4. So what we have to do is we'll have to start gluing these together. We always start with our center piece, and we'll glue 2 of these together first. Let it set up, then we'll add the other piece. Then after that dries, what we're going to do is we're going to cut this part off, and this is what this is going to go on to. And this will be able to take on and off if we ever have to get inside the head later on, once you have it. So we'll start with gluing these, 2 of these, then we'll let it set up a little bit, then we'll glue another one on, and then we'll glue, after that we'll glue an outside neck piece. After that sets up, we'll glue on the other side neck piece, and then we will add the outside piece, let it set up, and then we'll glue the other piece on and let it set, and then we'll be ready to start carving on it. So you need 7 pieces of this for your head. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I will get back with you. Thanks for watching.